Crown's Economics, Understanding Price Differences in Europe and Turkey. Introduction. In today's global economy, understanding price differences between countries is crucial for businesses and consumers alike. One area where these price differences are particularly noticeable is in Europe and Turkey. In this article, we will explore the factors that contribute to these differences and how they impact the economies of these regions. 1. The role of exchange rates. One of the key factors that contribute to price differences between Europe and Turkey is exchange rates. The value of a country's currency relative to others can greatly impact the cost of goods and services. For example, if the Turkish lira is weak compared to the euro, it will be more expensive for Turkish consumers to purchase goods from Europe. Conversely, if the euro is weak compared to the Turkish lira, European consumers may find Turkish goods more affordable. 2. Cost of living. Another factor that influences price differences between Europe and Turkey is the cost of living. Countries with a higher cost of living tend to have higher prices for goods and services. In Europe, countries like Germany and Switzerland have a higher cost of living compared to Turkey, which means prices for goods and services are generally higher in these countries. This can be attributed to factors such as higher wages, rent, and taxes. 3. Taxes and tariffs. Taxes and tariffs also play a significant role in price differences between Europe and Turkey. Each country has its own taxation system and tariffs on imported goods, which can affect the final price of products. For example, Turkey imposes higher tariffs on certain imported goods compared to European countries, leading to higher prices for these products in Turkey. 4. Supply and demand. Supply and demand dynamics can also impact price differences between Europe and Turkey. If there is high demand for a product in Europe but limited supply, prices may be higher compared to Turkey where the product is more readily available. Additionally, differences in consumer preferences and purchasing power can also influence price variations between the two regions. 5. Economic conditions. The overall economic conditions in a country can also have a significant impact on price differences. Factors such as inflation rates, unemployment levels, and economic growth can influence the cost of goods and services. For example, if a country is experiencing high inflation, prices for goods and services are likely to increase, leading to higher overall prices compared to a country with lower inflation rates. Conclusion. In conclusion, understanding price differences between Europe and Turkey is essential for businesses and consumers operating in these regions. Factors such as exchange rates, cost of living, taxes, supply and demand, and economic conditions all play a role in determining the final price of goods and services. By being aware of these factors, businesses can make informed decisions about pricing strategies and consumers can make informed choices about their purchases.